Hello everybody, thanks for joining me and welcome back to another episode of Tom Voyage. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. It's the cover for the Ooni Karu 16. We're going to unbox it, we're going to review it, and we're going to try it on to see how it fits. So if you've got an Ooni Karu 16 and you're thinking on buying this cover, you might want to stick around. So Ooni make a lot of these covers for all of their pizza ovens. It's kind of something that you might want to think about buying if you've A, got one of their pizza ovens, but B, you plan on leaving it outside. I've always bought these covers for my ovens. I don't leave them outside, but I do like the fact it keeps the dust off them in the garage. Today we were looking at this one. It's for the Ooni Karu 16, so let's get it unboxed. Alright, so there's the cover. Also in the box we have just some instructions on how to put it together. Okay, so this cover, it's quite expensive. They retail for $49.99, that's in both pounds and US dollars. If you want to get one of these for yourself, please use the link in the description below. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a bit of commission so I can help make videos like this in the future. So this cover is completely waterproof. It's made from a durable 300D polyester. And it comes with a nice Ooni logo on it as well. It's not really thick, but it has got this elastic around the edge to help give it a tight fit as well. There's also this buckle, which has got the Ooni branded logo on there. So now we're going to see how it actually fits onto the Ooni. So we've got our Ooni Karu 16 here. What a beast this is. And we're going to put this cover on just to give it a test. Now, there is a little label there that says front, which helps you locate where the front is. And what's nice is you can leave the chimney on for when you put this cover on as well. It's got space for that. Obviously, you need to wait till your oven's completely cooled. Put the top on like that. Goes around the front. And this goes around the back. Now, as you can tell, that's a nice snug fit on there. It does feel really nice quality, this actually. And also, you've got this buckle here. Now, what that does is that goes underneath and just clips into this side here. So you can tie that down and secure it, making sure this isn't going to blow off in the wind. Some of these covers that you can get for the Ooni Karu 12 and the smaller ovens actually have a handle on them. This one doesn't come with a handle. I guess it's because it's just too big and heavy. Now, the last time I reviewed one of these covers, I made the mistake of saying that the cover wouldn't fit on the Ooni Karu 12 with the gas attachment on. So this time, instead of making that mistake, I'm actually going to try it. Also, if you decide to store your Ooni without the chimney on, all you need to do is put your hand into the cover like this and turn it inside out. I'm going to slide that over the front. So making sure that fits over the handle, and then bring it over the back here. And as you can see, it fits with the gas attachment on too. Now, you'll also notice somewhere down here, there's a popper. We found out before that this is actually used for the gas attachment hose. So that just pops on there like that and keeps your gas attachment hose nice and tidy. Thanks very much, guys, for watching this review. I hope you found it useful and I hope it helped you out. If you did want to buy one of these covers for yourself, I highly recommend that you do that to protect your Ooni. You can get them using the link in the description. Also, if you wanted to see the review on my Ooni Karu 16 and the first cook, you can click the link above. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next one for more pizza making videos.